Statistics show that women are the prime burnout candidate. American Psychological Association reported that 56% of women feel overwhelmed by workload.
Take control of your career and compensation right now. It's your 5-minute career hack.
She suddenly resigned from the C-suite to focus on her family. She's tired and she still can't sleep, constantly worried about her productivity and performance. When she feels stressed, it feels like a panic attack. She's always running at 100 miles per hour. Her body's forcing her to slow down, but because she's still unfulfilled, she kicks into high gear anyway and runs out of gas before getting to the station or the bed. Battery dead. And even with all that she's done, she still does not feel that she is enough. Does this sound familiar? These are just a few stories of women who experienced burnout. And thankfully, we are being more vulnerable to admit this and begin to make a pivot. But with women as natural human givers, we tend to want to give to everyone else before giving to ourselves. So for Women's History Month, I'm encouraging us to prioritize you and slow the burn. Now, what is burnout? It's when we get stuck in this continuous cycle of chronic stress and it remains stored in our bodies without release. Eventually, it leads to an automatic physical, mental, and emotional shutdown in order for your body to preserve itself and stay alive. Statistics show that women are the prime burnout candidate. American Psychological Association reported that 56% of women feel overwhelmed by workload. The University of San Francisco reported that 73% of women experience burnout compared to 62% of men. And women with higher levels of education and those in leadership roles are more likely to experience burnout than those in other roles. And that's according to the World Health Organization. We often like to refer to burnout in the occupational text, but the job is not the source of our burnout. We have ownership of our well-being and our lifestyle. Healing from or preventing burnout is not a single action, but it's a series of lifestyle hacks. And I'm introducing this lifestyle change called the journey of restore, repair, reframe, and redefine success before, during, and after burnout.
Hey, you still got those goals you're trying to reach? Well, it's not too late. And guess what? The 5-minute career hack team can help you. Let me tell you, and you can let me know if this applies. Come closer. There's 3 areas that most of our clients come to us for. And it's how do I get promoted? How do I get more money? Or how do I change careers? Sound familiar? You got that on your to-do list? Well, let us help you. And you know how? We have the perfect workshop for you. It is called the In Transit Workshop. And you know what the guarantee is? It's that we will give you actionable items, no fluff, and things that you can apply and get started with immediately that will deliver and help you get those goals. So check out the workshop. It is just for you and it is not too late.
Now, depending on your state of being, you can decide where you need to start. Restore. Close the stress cycle. Take time for yourself to get rest and relaxation often, even if it's a staycation. Feel free to cry and laugh openly and schedule time at least once per day to do nothing. Do something that you love for 5 to 10 minutes each and every day. That could be reading, hobbies, creative expression, or listening to your favorite song. And always ask for help. Be willing to receive what you have given. Reach out to a professional or a loved one when you have trouble navigating through burnout. Repair. Own your healthy lifestyle routines. Prioritize your sleep. You need 7 to 9 hours to live a full and healthy life. Your body remains in a state of recovery and restoration mode when you are asleep. Eat to live. Keep your cortisol out of overdrive with an anti-inflammatory diet and practice self-care with gratitude, meditation, journaling, affirmations, and breathing exercises daily. Next, for reframe, you must face your internal dialogue with integrity and love. Check your well-being account balance. Reflect daily and notice how you really feel without judging yourself. Take the problem-solving hat off and just acknowledge whatever that feeling is and feel it. What are you thinking about? Are your thoughts helping you or harming you? Find those negative thought patterns and challenge its truth. Then decide whether or not you keep them or replace them. Love yourself through it. Even when you don't feel okay, remember that you are normal and always reserve the right to return, to restore, and repair. Redefine, make it personal. Ask yourself these questions. What does success mean to me today? And do I own this definition, or is it shaped by my family, culture, and society? What matters to me? What brings me joy? Take some time to think about these questions and write down your answers so you can own it. Own it. What do you want? Who do you want to be? You are redefining success in terms of what fuels your belief in yourself, your personal business, and your bank account. And define your goals. Make that list of goals that helps you to be, not do, be the person you described above. Spend time daily visualizing this achievement and take that feeling in so you can begin early appreciation. Lastly, take action. Maybe it's a dual career. Maybe you want to leap into building a 6-figure coaching business. Maybe you want to sell color paper clips at your local farmer's market. Or it could be a total career transition. You decide and create that timeline for yourself and begin taking small steps daily to bring that goal to life. Cleanse your circle. Surround yourself with mentors, friends, and family who've been where you're going or want to grow with you. Like-minded individuals will love, challenge, and support you along the journey of Re. And finally, celebrate yourself. Recognize your wins no matter how small. It's so important for you to like and love your own posts before anyone else. Only your approval matters. Again, this is not a one and done. Life is constantly changing, so we have to stay flexible and be willing to adjust if needed, because failure is always an option. We will face obstacles, setbacks as long as we live. And even on this journey of Re, we will still experience stress that could lead to burnout if not addressed. So be realistic. This journey is about taking 100% responsibility for everything that stress and burnout can or has already taken from you. Your energy, your peace, your boundaries, your belief in yourself, and your remaining healthy living years. It is time to reclaim your time, your well-being, and your success. I love y'all, and be well.
Now, the 5-minute career hack, we call this hacking. Look at you. You just did it. And you don't have to stop here. Take one step every week and ensure that you are pouring into you and getting closer to your career goals. Yep, you see that button down there? Hit subscribe, but don't stop there, because you know what they say, sharing is caring. So take 5 and we'll see you next week.